Hey everyone, it's HiTechMan here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a password from your old computer. You might have an old computer lying around, you forgot the password, or someone's trying to pull a prank on you and put a password on your computer. And you can see here I'm running a virtual PC and I've got a password on here. I'm going to teach you today how to remove that password. Now this method won't show you the password, it'll only just remove it. It can be a very handy tool, but I recommend doing this on only just your computers. You don't want to get in any trouble. And I'm going to show you all the steps necessary to do it today. And of course, this is a free project on how to do this, okay? So to get started, you can start by going, first of all, I'm going to have these links in the description below. I'm going to have the links down for the password reset program and the CD version of this. Now, this was a program that I've used a long time ago. It's called the Offline NT Password and Registry Editor. This website used to be really popular, and nowadays, for some reason, it's not working. I had to look it up using the Wayback Machine, and you can see that it's all right. It's still going, but the thing is that some of the links have died out. Luckily, I was able to save all the files and get everything that you need today. So, of course, you can see here it's how to use the device, how to use it properly, if it's a floppy or a CD or a flash drive, and your download links, which I, of course, have already saved for you, and they'll be in the course of the link in the description down below. So right now we're just going to do the how to make it on the USB drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug in my USB port or USB flash drive into my computer. You'd only need a small flash drive that's probably lying around. I mean, this program is like less than 10 megabytes. So as you can see, I've already started a project here, but I'm going to do is just going to right click and format this drive or flash drive real quickly. It'll only take a few seconds. And now that it's formatted, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the, since I've already downloaded the files, they're going to be right here as a zip folder. Just extract it using WinRAR or some kind of zip utility. And what you can do is you can select all those files, copy them, go over to your computer again, double click the flash drive and paste them there. And once they're done pasting, all you have to do is follow the directions, of course, but I'm going to be doing this firsthand for you. You want to go and start command prompt, so just type in CMD. And then what you'd want to do is you want to right click on command prompt and run as administrator. That way you have less errors in the long run. And what you want to do is you want to find out what your drive letter for your flash drive is. In my case, my drive letter is F. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in F colon SYS LINUX.exe space hyphen MA space F colon. Hit enter. And it's done. Now what it just did is it sysled the drive, which means it's going to make it bootable in Linux. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch over to my virtual PC and show you how it's going to be done from there. And of course, this is just going to be for your USB. What I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be showing you how to do it on the CD. It's the exact same process. Only difference is in case you're not supporting of USBs on your computer, you can use the CD method. So here we go. Okay, just a quick thing to note real quickly is make sure that when you're rebooting your computer that you know what command to use to bring up your separate boot menu. In my case, it's escape. In your case, it might be F12 or F9 or whatever. I'm going to head over to the CD drive since I am going to be using a virtual CD in this case. It's going to be just like using the USB flash drive. It's just in VMware. It's a little weird that way, but just bear with me. And it's going to be the exact same process though. You can see here, this is this little copyright window. What you basically want to do is just click enter, and it'll automatically start loading everything automatically. But in case you do get an error or something like that, for example, you can see here, please select a partition or number. You just hit D to automatically start this driver, so that way it's an automatic process. And now you can see here, now it's going to ask you for, now that's done loading, it's going to ask you what hard drive. In this case, the default is 1, so all I have to do is just hit enter. And again, it's going to tell you where's the system path for the registry. In this case, it's already set to the default, and assuming that you haven't changed anything, which most people don't, just hit enter. And now it's just going to say select which part of the registry to load. In this case, we want to do a password reset. So you can see there on option 1, I'm going to hit option 1, and it's going to be ready to go. It's loaded everything you want. What do you want to do? Number 1, edits the user data and passwords, which is what we want to do. It's already set to 1, so you just hit enter. And then now it's just going to ask what account do you want to change. In this case, it can be, if you have more than one account, you can change, like for example, Adams or Tony or whoever the account. In this case, you can see there's administrator, guest, and HiTechMan. So in my case, I have to write out manually, HiGHTECKMAN. and then hit enter. And it's going to say, okay, so it's you're in there, no problem. All you want to do is you want to clear out the password. So you want to select option 1, hit enter. It's going to say that the password was cleared. Now we're done. That's it. That's literally how easy it is to do it. Just remove the password with little to no effort. So what we're going to do now is we want to exit out of the application. So what you want to do is you want to type in an exclamation point. So of course just hold shift and then 1 and then hit enter. And it's going to say that you're about to leave. What you want to do, you hit Q to quit, of course. And it's going to say you're about to write files back. Do it. The default is set to no. What you need to do is you need to hit Y for yes. After you've done that, it'll edit it. And it says, of course, would you like to make a new run? Basically a new console. Just say no. I mean, it's already set to no. Just hit enter. And at this point, all you have to do now is do a Control-Alt-Delete to restart the system. And now we're going to reboot into Windows. And what you should see is basically no password acceptance. It'll just go straight into Windows. So you can see here, it's loading up. Welcome. There it is. We just went into Windows without needing to put in a password. So, again, if you liked the video, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And again, this has been High Tech Man signing off, showing you how to build a USB flash drive to remove your Windows password. See you guys in the next video. And here comes an end slate. Hey guys, this is an end slate thing that goes at the end of the videos that other people do that I figure that I do one. I really don't know how this works. This is my first time doing it, so be gentle. So, you just watched this video, but perhaps you'd be interested in watching another video because, for the record, I make other videos. Maybe another tutorial is something you'd want to watch. Well, lucky you, there's something that you should be able to click on unless I mess that up. But you can click on that and it should take you to another tutorial video. But maybe that's not what you're into. Maybe that's not what you want to see. But that's okay because not too long ago I made another video about how to do stuff with Mac OS X. So you should be able to click on that video. So, you know, if you like the video, you want to subscribe or like it, it's your call, but I guess I'm not going to force you to do it, but just throwing it out there because I put that button down there, so now I feel like I just have to mention that. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video though. I'm gonna have fun with these. I'm winging it. This is unscripted. I really should end the video now, but have a nice day. I gotta go. Bye.